In a magical forest, a small blue bird finds a glowing golden football. As it explores, the bird meets the famous footballer Cristiano Ronaldo, who's surprised and intrigued by the enchanted object. Together, they face a mystical challenge, an enchanted goalpost hidden deep in the woods. Despite an initial failure, the bird guides Ronaldo, revealing the secret to success. With a powerful, magical kick, Ronaldo scores, lighting up the entire forest in a burst of golden light. In gratitude, the bird gives Ronaldo a glowing feather, and they share a moment of newfound friendship, parting ways as the enchanted path opens for new adventures.